how to upgrade to first class on Hawaii Airlines. If you're looking to upgrade to first or business class on Hawaii Airlines, here is how you can go about it. Now, the first step is to log in into your Hawaii Airlines account, and then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see 5 icons, namely home, my trips, status, book more. Just click on the more option, and then on the more page you can see the first tab which says get in touch. Now this get in touch sounds, or it's stands for the customer support. So and the different types, you have the message center, chat with us, and then contact us. And then for these ones, you can make use of any of the option. Contact the customer service and then state your issue, which is that you want to upgrade to first class on Hawaii Airlines. All right, just contact any of them. You can click on the contact us to call the customer support, or to chat with us to chat with a live agent. So why chat with the live agent? Just make your questions known, and then by the time you type out the question, how can I upgrade to first class on Hawaii Airlines, directions will be given or what to do. Follow these instructions and this prompt, and then you'll be able to upgrade to first class on Hawaii Airlines. On most occasions, you would have to upgrade with cash, that is with money. Just go ahead, go through all of this, and you'll be able to upgrade. So this is basically how to upgrade to first class on Hawaii Airlines. It is not difficult. Just reach out to the customer service and you'll be directed on what to do. Thanks for watching and have a good day.